Okay, Dana, I am so glad to have you here in India.
Yes.
From Latvia.
I'm happy to be here as well.
I hope you are enjoying the weather.
Very much.
Very much, that's good. So, you were telling me about Shilajit, how you feel after. You are also taking Shilajit?
It's like basically the product I fell in love with because as I work so much and my day is so intense and we have such a long winter. So as a teacher, I need a lot of energy to teach the children. And I was looking for something that will help me to survive this period in my life and to survive this teaching job. So I was having some medicine, like Eastern medicine, but I understood that I can't take it for a long period of time. It was just for a short period. Then I asked my husband, can you advise me something from Planet Ayurveda, please? I can't all the time buy something from apothec. And he said, try Shilajit. So first time I tried it, I was like buzzing with energy. It was like a battery was full. I was, whoa, is it happening? So first time I thought, maybe it's something different. Maybe I ate something or I slept more or something. Okay, let's check it once again. So I take Shilajit again and again I feel it. Oh, the battery is full and I can get through my day. So I was wondering why it's happening to me, why Shilajit has such good effect on people, because I'm not the only one who says that. We have other people who are taking it to be very efficient during all the day. Why it's happening like with Shilajit?
Shilajit, because I am using Shilajit in my patients who are weak, who are having less of energy. The reason is what I say and what I have studied, we are also made up of 5 elements. Our body is made up of mud, earth, water, fire, air and space. And Shilajit is coming out of the rocks. It is full of minerals, full of natural minerals. Our body is usually using those micro minerals in its metabolism. And when by the evening we are drained out. And when we replenish it with Shilajit micro minerals, and then we feel more energy. And it is it is not like the man can only use it. It is good for the woman also, equally good, because it is not only enhancing some people they think it is good for sexual enhancement. It is not particularly men, but it is not like that. It is good as a nutrient, as a general nutrient. So it is full of energy, it is full of nutrition, micronutrients, at least 85 micro minerals. Our body sometimes is having lack of micro trace elements like selenium, like molybdenum and such trace elements, and we don't get them in everyday diet. So we get we have lack of those micronutrients, and we get that from Shilajit.
So there is no magic, it's just science.
It is science, it's not magic, it's not placebo, it is science. And it is, Shila means rock, Jit means it can win the rock, or it is the resin of the rock. And it is, when it is oozing out of the rocks because of the heat, it can contain some impurities also, like ore of the element, we have to purify it. So many type of Shilajits are available in the market, but we purify it, we take out all the maybe some bird is doing the shit in the Shilajit, and maybe some other metals or something can be mixed when it is oozing out of the rocks. So that is not, some people they just start taking the rock itself.
Yes.
So that may contain some metals and impurities. Yes. So we liquefy it, we purify it, then we process it, then we check it in the laboratory. Then the highest concentration of humic acid and fulvic acid content and other microminerals, then we use the Shilajit. That's why I'm getting feedback from bodybuilders, from housewives, from teachers, from policemen, from workers, from laborers, everybody.
Yeah, it was also checked in Europe and it showed it's safe to use, and I'm happy that I'm using a safe, clean product.
It was checked in your country?
In our country, no, because we have the same in European Union. If it's checked in one country, it's enough for other European country. But is it safe for me like to use it all the time? I don't get addicted to it?
No, it is not addictive. It is like a natural vitamin, natural rich, so it's not addictive at all.
Okay, that's good to know.
It's like diet. It's like food.
Yeah.
Mineral food.
Mineral
manure,
food.
like manure for the plants. So you need to put it every day or every week or something like that.
I'm very happy that I have this product because it helps me to be better myself during the day. So I don't. I can be better person. I can be better professional, and I can be better housewife and a wife for
and
my
in
husband.
Ayurveda, I remember that it is mentioned that there is no disease in this world which cannot be cured by Shilajit. So it is an analogy, a wonderful analogy
Yes.
in Ayurveda.
Yes.
It's working for all the diseases.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.